Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. After a couple emails back and forth, this is what the gentleman's trying to do, a 3D, what I call a poor man's 3D star. This would engrave pretty good because this is going to be dark, this is going to be light, and it's going to shadow off. But he didn't get the concept of when you make this and you have individual lines, you can't just contour it. You've got to make a well or a shape with the Smart Fill tool. So I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to fill it in with black and I'm going to move it over. Matter of fact, I'm going to grab them all and you can see that's right there, the Smart Fill tool, because I did not move it over far enough. It didn't fill it all the way in. So let's go with the Smart Fill tool and then move it over. Same problem right there we're going to have right there. So make sure you nudge far enough. Let's completely back up. I would have thought that would have been enough. And if you see this thing, because we have to basically double nudge it. So let's go 15 inches. That'll be plenty. So make your Smart Fill. And then you can select all these and you can left click, right click in black. And then each one of these is individual. So then we can go to effects, contour. I've got that one selected. I'm going to contour the inside 0.001 with a gray. And once you've got that set, all you have to do is hit apply. You could quite possibly group that together, but if you had a lot, it wouldn't really be worth it. So that's how you come up with that. Now you can go just the opposite, with the colors. You could turn everything gray and then grab that and turn it into a black. And you get a total different look. And, just testing which one you like the best, that's going to look pretty cool. With the exception, I've done a lot of 3D engraving. You need to remember that is going to be a pretty sharp point. And I've done several videos on that. And what I would suggest on this case, because we've nudged with this, and I just noticed my arrow's a little bit off up there. Take your rectangle tool, fill that in with the Smart Fill tool and move it over twice. And then grab that shape and fill it in with a gray, a light gray. And then run your 3D engraving. And if you've never run 3D engraving, you would have, let's say this would be at the top of your laser bed, and you would engrave that first in multiple passes, maybe like 100 power at 30 speed, 100 power at 40, 50, 60 speed, at least 3 passes. Then nudge that out of the way and put this in and just run it, and it'll take that sharpness off because this white is going to be a sharp point, and it will not affect your black because it'll actually go a little bit deeper because it's a gray. And also after you, I strongly recommend, I do not know why it helps, but if you go to bitmap and convert this to a bitmap and convert it to a grayscale bitmap, I don't know what it does, but it blurs it up just a little bit. And if you look at some real 3D engraving, they're kind of blurry like this is. Anyway, I hope that answers the question, and thank you for watching.